Let's draw a nice scenery of mountains, and you can see the other skylines and the trees and the water body. So that's the natural scenery. I hope you can see I'm putting a line in the middle of the canvas. Now going to draw the mountains here. Mhm. So these are the very higher and very bigger mountains on the side. One side you have the shadow, other side you have the reflections. Awesome. Putting some colors at the bottom like this one, and mixing it with the fingers just to make the shadows a little bit nice and blended with the whole environment. You can also use a blending stamp if you have, or otherwise you can use the fingertips to make the drawing nice. Okay, so mountain drawing is complete. Now we are going to put the three lines at the bottom, just putting the green color. Again you can use the crayons here for the greeneries, putting the deep dark color of the crayons for the greens here. Awesome. Also you can put the trees. You can see the long pine tree of the mountainscapes. Longer trees here, another tree you can see on both sides. So when you put the tree, just try to put it like a pointy on top, and as you see it comes the bottom line, it becomes little bit wider. Okay, so lots of trees at the bottom of the mountains, and you can see the reflections of those trees on the water. Little one has a little reflections, the bigger one has a very bigger reflections, and the trees and the reflections you can see here. And putting the water with the blue color. Skyline is also a little bit blue. There's a boatman here, you can see, just looking like this. So he's just driving straight to the mountain. That's how you can see only the body and hands on the side. You can see the rowing instrument. And little bit shadow on the water. Okay, few shadow here and there to make the water more realistic. Awesome. And also we are going to put some birds flying in the sky. So let's draw the bird like this one. So it's like a English alphabet V, but a little bit wide range. So when the birds fly, usually 3 or 4 birds fly in a row. That's why few birds I'm going to draw, and the scenery drawing is almost complete. I hope you like the video. It's a very simple and nice scenery, very easy frame. So keep doing practice at home. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.